Hi everybody, Robert here, and today in this exercise, this is a project we've been working on and we're getting to the end. So we're going to look at our room schedules because it's very important for our MVP funds. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe or go and start from the beginning. So now we're going to look at how to create a room schedule, and we're going to learn how to add finishes, and then we'll go out and we'll do other things. So here we've got our floor plan, and we tagged all our rooms and everything. So now what we want to do is we want to go and create a schedule, a room finish schedule. So here under where it says architecture, we want to view and schedules and quantities, and here I want to do schedules and quantities, and I want to go down to rooms here. Just going to briefly run through this. I think we did this, so I'm going to call this our design office schedule. And we'll say project completion here. It will say new construction. This is kind of new. I never used that. Well, okay. Now next, then we'll say okay here, and then we'll go gather our fields. Now the fields that we're using here is basically we want the room number. If I can find it. Oh, there it is. The room number, the name. Okay, I didn't get the number over there. And I'll just move that up. And then we'll go with base finish. Gotta have all our finishes here. So base finish, ceiling finish, of course, floor finish. So we need to get all our finishes. I think, yeah, we need a ceiling finish as well. Oh, I got it there. So I'm gonna just, I think that's all we need. Floor, wall, ceiling. Let's put the area in here. That's gonna be important. And I'm gonna just shuffle these around. I'll move this up here, so you know, basically, we'll have it number, name, base finish, ceiling, floor, and we need a wall finish, of course. So there's all our finishes from this guy. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just okay this. Okay, now there's our good. We just kind of move this over a little bit. So there's all of our room names and numbers for our finishes. Okay, so now we want to modify and populate this guy here. So basically now for our finishes, let's go with the bathrooms because they're going to be similar. So my finishes are going to be for base is going to be wood. So here for the men's and women's bathroom, this is what I'm going to do here. I'm going to just put this in, do it this way easily. So for the men's, you see men's are there. I'm going to just key in CO2, COV rather, make this caps, COVED, space CT. That's going to be the base finish. And then for the, well, no, that's the wall finish. No, this is going to be CT2. I'm sorry. That's CT-2. Okay. And so for here, I can just pull this down and it'll come there. Okay. And then the base finish here, it's going to be wood. Let's go with here. No, this is going to be something else. For the bathroom, this is going to be covered COV. This is going to be the covered CT for the bathroom, for the base. And we'll do the same right here. Okay, now for the wall, the floor. Okay, I got these all mixed up. I don't want them like this. So the floor finish in the men's bathroom is going to be CT1. That's a tile, I guess. Yeah, we'll make this our tile. And floor finish as well. T1. Okay, and then our ceiling is going to be probably painted gypboard. We'll just say gypboard right here, GPBD, just to get you an idea of what's happening here. Okay, and then we can go ahead and add that one. So there's our finishes just for that one. And then, you know, here for the associate's office, I can go in here. And his base is going to be wood. So I'll just go wood right here. Now, this is a good way to do this. You can do this way, but you can also do it in the model. For his carpet, this will be UWC-1, enter. Okay, so there's our, just the beginning. Now, this is looking at the schedule. So if I go into level 1, and I'll select our bathrooms here. I'll go in here and I'll find that space. We should just tab around to it. Go in here and just tab, or I can select it. There it is. Now in properties, there goes my finishes for that room. So you can do this way. Now I can come here to this one. Let's see. There it is. So of course we didn't put any finish in here, but we can add them here. So I'm gonna go and knock all these out. We tab here. Let's look at the associates room. So we find that room. Okay, come here. Here you go. Well, I guess that's the best way to do it. And floor finish here was for this office, I think it was CP2. Yeah, carpet here. Okay, so go back to our schedule. You can populate it here, or you can populate it in the model, and it'll update, which is pretty nice. Okay, so now I want to show you how to do a color-coded plan right quick. Try to make these videos short. So what we do here, we go into our project browser here, and I'm going to do a duplicate this view without detailing. That would be the first one. Okay, so I got a copy of the view here. Now I'm going to rename this to level 1 color. Just say color right here. Nope. Wow. Guess it don't matter. It really doesn't. Okay, it'll be color. And now I'm in that view. And now what I'm going to do now, see, we don't have our, this is a new view because we did it this way. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go to my annotate tab. And I'm going to select tag all. And I want to go find my room names. That's all we really need here. I'm going to go apply and OK. So there's our room names and tags here. So now what I want to do, I want to go to the annotate tag and where it says color field legend. And then I want to just drop this right here on the side here. And here, when this little dialog box comes up, it asks you what do you want to use. So I'm going to go with rooms. And below here, I'm going to go with name. and then say OK. So there it calculates my colors and my room names based on colors. So hey guys, that's just a few things you would do with room schedules and things. So I'm gonna leave it here, and we'll come in the next video. I think next we're gonna go into the structural as far as columns and schedules. Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. Please support this channel by subscribing. Thanks again. I'll see you in the next video. Everybody be safe. Bye.